Hello y'all on YouTube, this is Rob with Rob's Nerdy Knives. Today we have kind of a cool unboxing, something coming in from Tyler Williams, a gift to the channel. Let's take a look. Alright, today I'm opening up my box with my Bull Knives Xero. That's YXRO. Kind of cool little knife here. What do we have here? Oh my. Oh my. Oh my. We have a gifted hedgehog. What is this? Okay, let's get the stickers out. Oh, we've got some cool stickers here. Well, I haven't seen that one yet. All right, we'll save the box because it's always good to use boxes like this. All right, so this is cutler riser, or it's a traditional pocket knives, exclusive hedgehog. All right, so let's see what this is all about. And we'll put the box and this off to the side. Oh, got another sticker there. Oh, okay. This looks almost traditional. See what we got going on here. That's interesting. Is that like paper micarta? What is that? Let's see. What does it say? 14C28N is a sawcut red bone. Sawcut red bone. All right. Not sure what that is, but maybe this is actually made out of bone. All right. So this is a hedgehog, like you've seen. Matter of fact, here's my hedgehog. In my little skull. Crazy little skull. All right. So let's see what we got here. Oh, it's like a drop point. Definitely hollow grind. Definitely. All right, there we go. I wonder. I doubt that it will, but let's just, for the heck of it, let's see. Does it fit? It does fit. That's cool. It still fits. All right. Very cool. Very cool. All right. So hedgehog. 14C28N. This is, I guess, red bone or something like that. I would call these inlays. So this is a slip joint. This is considered a nail nick, right? Sometimes people use a nailer just to meet of your fingers. You have the walk and talk, and it's a really nice, crisp walk and talk. Closes at 90, and when you get past a certain spot here, it just slams shut. It's pretty dead centered. You can see the back spine. This is kind of part of the locking mechanism. When I pull this out, you'll see this part will stick up. You see that? And then it'll come down again. And it'll stick up and it'll come down again. So it's locked in place like that. I have large hands with big meaty fingers. I can get them all on here, but it's right at my capacity. Don't know how much extra you could get on here. If you had an extra large hand that was big meaty fingers, maybe, right? Now my grip does appear to be about equal to someone with a, I would say, maybe they have extra large hands. This would be equivalent with regular sized fingers. Double extra large hands with thinner fingers. So that, you know, just keep that in mind. I do like the little inlay. That is cool. It's some sort of bone. That's what, at least what I'm getting. Almost, it could be resin, paper micarta, something. I don't know, but it's supposedly bone. So I like the little milling on there. This gives it some nice texture. Very nice polish right there. You can definitely see some of the difference between mine. Mine was an exclusive. That's the blue camel carbon. This is the red one. This is M390, I believe. Yeah, M390 on this one. So it's a little more premium, but 14C28 is definitely a great budget steel. I like that. I prefer that over D2 or many other steels, right? So walk and talk is outstanding. We still did that, so we are. And that's, there you go. Nice and clickety. Like that. Feels pretty decent in hand. Now slip joints don't have a clip. They're meant to go in a little leather slip, which I have a couple of, but you would fit that in there. So that would be cool. So I think this is definitely meant to be given to the channel as a giveaway. So we'll see that in a future giveaway. Definitely be a budget banger kind of giveaway. I like that. I like it a lot. Very interesting colors. Very, very neat. I like that. Let me open it one more time. So, QSP Hedgehog spear point. So they call it spear point. I don't know if I'd call that a spear point. I'd call it more drop point. It doesn't look very speary, but you know, whatever. I think it's pretty cool. Let's do a little zoom in so you guys can see it. So here is that. You can see with that hollow grain QSP logo, right? Got the nice little polished, you know, frame there. Then you got this inlay that is screwed on, by the way. You can see that it's there's room in there. Let me make sure I get the right shadow. Oh, wait a second. I'm thinking wrong knife. There is no cutout for weight relief. So that means the center is way back here. So it's going to be a little back heavy. Just keep that in mind. All right. There's that red bone, whatever. I don't know what they're calling it. Does it say on here? It says it's G10, but that's not what the box said. So I'm going to go with what the box said. Does look like it's a captive pivot. Does look like it might be. Here's a T6. Yeah, I guess it's T6s. I think this is a T8. Yeah, but this might be a T6. So if you wanted to, we could take that off. All right. It does have a stop pin in there, it looks like. So very cool. Not bad. I like the transition. They're really nice and tight and tolerances. No blade play. It comes in, locks right in place. So very cool. Very cool little knife. I like that. I like that a lot. Let's zoom back out. Hopefully you got to see all of that. All right. So there we go. Did I do screenshots? I can't remember. Did we do a little money shot for the video? I don't know. So let's do that real quick. There we go. All right. Very cool. So very much appreciate you and generosity. So thank you very much, Tyler, for allowing me to have this and make it go toward the giveaways. It is cool to see a spear point, even though I think it's a drop point. Blade with some different kind of inlays for the scale. I think that's really cool. So thank you. If you found this content fun, interesting, worthwhile, or informative, would you please consider hitting the like button down below? And if you've already hit that like button, maybe consider hitting the subscribe button. Subscribing and liking the channel really helps me out, allows me to produce more content, do more things, ultimately do more things for you guys. So a big thank you, shout out to all of you out there who watch the video. Enjoy the content, it's part of the community. Thank you. If you haven't already, maybe hit that notification button down below so you can be notified of future content like this and other videos. And a big shout out to my channel members. Appreciate you. You do two things for me. You encourage me like a workout buddy. Appreciate that. Also, with your generous support, you allow me to check out things, do things way sooner than I ever thought I could. So thank you for that as well, for supporting the channel. I really, sincerely appreciate that. All right. As a result of that, I try to do two things for my channel members. I try to do a once a month members exclusive giveaway. That's we draw for that once a month. But because of the channel memberships and your generosity, I was able to and have been able to continuously have a budget banger giveaway each week. So that members giveaway that you get that I was talking about as a way for me to say thank you, that only is visible and available to the members, right? So if any of that sounds interesting, if that sounds cool, I have a link down below in the description. I'd love to have you. Please don't ever feel obligated to be a member, but I would love to have you. So thank you, thank you, thank you. If you haven't already, check me out on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Again, that's on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day and a great week. Bye.